Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to add signature on your MacBook document. So for example, for now I believe it works on PDF files. So what you need to do is open up your PDF file where you need to add the signature. After that, you're gonna click those two arrows right here and you're gonna click on form filling or markup. I'm just gonna click on markup. And here you can see this is the sign button. So you're just gonna click right here. You can also create a signature with a trackpad, or with the iPhone. So right now trackpad for me is not working because I connected my MacBook to my monitor and I'm using a simple keyboard. You can also use the camera or your iPhone to sign it. So let's click on that, and now I'm just gonna write down something, for example, and after that you're gonna click done. Let's click done, and now you have your signature and you can add it to your document wherever you need. And yeah guys, that's how you add a signature to any document on MacBook. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.